And now for the weather. Yesterday was a snowy day. 4 inches of snow fell on the ground. Everything is white and outside looks like a winter wonderland. The road is slippery. So if you're driving, be very careful. Today school is closed. Kids are enjoying playing outside. Right now the sun is up. The snow is starting to melt. Hopefully tomorrow will be sunny too. So kids can go back to school. And that's the news. Good day.
Okay.